Okay. So, hello Abhilash. Would you
Hi,
do you want to introduce yourself to the audience?
yeah. I am Abhilash VA, a third year BSMS student who is opting for biology major, and that's it.
Okay. So, why do you want to be a part of the student council? What do you aim to do if you get elected?
I think that our institute is majorly academic, and all there are seemingly big and small problems associated with such an academic institute, just like any other institute. And these problems are better known by the students themselves because they are the ones who are like feeling the brunt of it. So it is always better to have these students in decision making committees. And I think that I do have the capability to be present in such a committee and take worthwhile decisions for it. That's where I am standing for elections this time.
Okay. So, how do you plan to go about it, especially when the pandemic and communication is difficult?
Do you like? Are you saying about some kind of new things that should be brought?
Yes, you can talk about how you're going to proceed through. What are the problems that you think people are facing right now, and how do you plan to
Okay.
go about solving
F-
them?
from my experience and the talks that I had with my friends, many people are bothered by the evaluations happening in this time, but we as a council do not have a direct authority in changing any of it, but we could try for negotiating with them. Other problem that I have seen is that it would be easier for most people if the fee was like allowed to be paid in installments rather than a single payment. I have heard this, but it's still negotiable issue only. But the major point that I wanted to bring was that many of us still do not know about the scholarships and internships that we can apply for. So I am thinking of pushing for a some kind of scholarship cell that is under CDPC, such that if you give out all your credentials, like your academic background, your economic background, and even the state you come from, you can know about all the scholarships that you get or you can avail. So I am thinking of doing them. I do not know about the I need to do I like I need to talk more about the authorities for that. But yeah, and the other thing that I am thinking of doing is that there is still not an efficient system to know that whether the labs in our campus are occupied or not. I mean, if there are vacancies for any students to work on them. So if there was a forum kind of thing, it would be easier for students to actually mail the respective professors instead of aimlessly mailing all these professors. So I think these are the issues that we can immediately bring about. uh, yeah, and I'm
So,
a
do
super
you aim
approachable
to
person, and you can, as time goes, any problems that you have can be talked with me and we can find appropriate solutions for them.
That's wonderful. So, do you want to be a part of any specific committee as such? Have you thought about it or anything is fine?
uh, as I said, most of my agenda plan is based on CDPC. I would actually like to be part of that committee, or preferably medical committee. But I do not have as a preference like that. I can work in any committee.
Okay. So, what are your thoughts on the previous council's performance?
I mean, the previous council was the first council that ISA Pune had, so there were a lot of pressure on them. Uh, and I cannot purely say what I can like what I think because it would be allegations on them. So and yeah, it was a huge pressure on them, and I think that they did what they could. But the thing is that we didn't actually know what they did. The
Yeah, that
processes
is
that
true.
yeah, the
That
processes
was true
that
because of the pandemic and all.
yeah, that's what I said, that they did what they could, but whatever they did, that we didn't know that, so we cannot just assess them on that. They should have let us know more about that. There were not like frequent town hall meetings should have been must have been held.
Yeah. So I think that's about it. And
Yeah.
thanks a lot for, and I wish you all the best.
Oh, I need a lot of luck. Thank you. Bye then.